Today's lesson, lesson 11 for math, is about multiplying decimals. And we are doing a decimal times a single-digit whole number. And we are using the partial products method and the place value chart with discs method. I'm going to do 1B. I'm going to first show you how we learned it by partial products. Basically, we took the number we're multiplying by, 4, and we then broke up the decimal into ones, into tenths, and into hundredths. Okay, so in 0.05, there are no ones, so 4 times 0 is 0. There are no tenths, so you have 0 tenths. 4 times 0 is 0, so that would be 0.0. And there are 5 hundredths. So you have to think of this box as 4 times 0.05. And if you multiplied those two, you would get 0.20. So now you have to add all the parts, which is why they call it partial products. You have to add this part plus this part plus this part all together, and you would get 0.20. That's how you would do partial products. If you were doing it with discs in a place value chart, well, the problem is in hundredths. The problem is in hundredths. Therefore, when you do 4 times 5, this is ones, this is tenths, and this is hundredths. You have to put the disc, you have to put the discs in the hundredths place because the decimal's in hundredths. So we know that 4 times 5 is 20. So we're going to put 20 discs in the hundredths place, because 4 times 5 is 20. So now that we have 20 discs in the hundredths place, we know because of regrouping that every time you have 10, you must move it over a place. Every time you have 10, you must move it over a place. So now we have 2 discs in the tenths place. So to translate this into a decimal, there are no ones. There are 2 discs in the tenths place, and now there are no hundredths. So we know that that is our answer. So these are the 2 ways we learned today. One with place value charts and discs, one with partial products, adding the parts together after we multiply decimals.